Hello Kachingo! And now we will make a Pinoy food called Bitso-Bitso, and this is the flour first, and I will put a small amount of baking powder and mix well. After that, we'll put the water and mix it thoroughly. There we go. You will adjust your water. Then I will mix it gently until it will stick. And now I will use my hand to do it. This is the Pinoy favorite food in school days, in high school, and this is my ready to cook. And this is my sugar to use, and where we go first, we will fry the sticky rice. After this frying, if it already cooked, and sorry for the and next, the final step is we will use muscovado sugar, and I put some water on it, and we will make sure that the sugar will sticky, and this is it, our Bitso-Bitso, the super delicious delicacy of Pinoy. Thank you for watching, guys.